Hi, and welcome to CUBIDO's Power BI Showcase. This report provides us with information collected by the Microsoft Assessment and Planning Toolkit. In addition, we've enriched the data with mapping it to organizational structure, data center locations, and also connectivity information to all those different devices. Let's have a look about the overview about our system environment. We have found information in our network for about 1,700 devices, whereas we have 95 servers in it. As you can see here, we have a distributed landscape between different device OS, operating systems, CPU families, and divided those into server and client information. Let's have a look at the distribution per location. As you can see, we have 4 different locations here, and for the connectivity information, we see that the location in Graz, we have overall 28% of those devices not reachable. Let's have a look which are those devices. And as you can see here, we have 2 computers which are virtual models that are not reachable. Let's have a look at the information about the hardware information about one of those pieces. And as you can see here, we can use the Power BI drill-through mechanism to get into the hardware details of that machine. So we have a 4-core server here with 36 gigs of RAM and an Intel Xeon. When we want to have a look about the overall infrastructure in our system, we can just remove those filters. And as we can see here, we have a majority of servers having 4 cores, and the majority also here 36 gigs of RAM. For the client, we have the information, okay, the majority is 2 cores and the majority has 4 gigs of RAM. Back to our start screen. What about the security? Biosecurity is always a thing. Let's go over here and we see the majority of BIOS software in our system environment comes from Dell. Let's filter it to Dell. And we see here, okay, I think we have a security problem because the majority of those devices have a BIOS dated to the year 2014, which is quite old. And as we can see here, we also have one device that is quite old and has an old BIOS dated in the year 2009. So let's go here to the hardware and we see, okay, it's a client with 2 gigs of RAM. It's an Intel Celeron. So very easy and handy way to navigate through the map information. If you want some more information, just visit us at www.cubido.at or write us an email office@cubido.at.